Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to track your baggage in the Emirates application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone and then click on the three lines at the bottom of the page on the right, and at the Travel Essentials section click on the baggage tracker button. And as you can see, this page will help if your baggage has been delayed or damaged on an Emirates flight, and they will help and keep you updated on your on every stage of your baggage. So click on the continue button, and for checking the status of your baggage, you have to type in your file reference number and the last or family name, and they can help track through these informations. So if you have both, just click on continue and it will send the request. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.